Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Nginx configuration to a new Ubuntu server, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer the Nginx configuration to a new Ubuntu server, begin by preparing your old and new servers. Ensure both servers are running Ubuntu and have Nginx installed. On the old server, connect via SSH to access the command line. Navigate to the Nginx configuration directory using the command cd/etc/nginx. Here, you will find the main configuration file named nginx.conf. Additionally, check for any site-specific configurations in the sites available and sites-enabled directories. To transfer the configuration files, use the scp command. For example, run scp/etc/nginx user at new server IP/etc/nginx. Replace user with your username and new server IP with the IP address of the new server. You will be prompted to enter the password for the new server. Once the transfer is complete, connect to the new server via SSH. Navigate to the Nginx configuration directory again by running cd/etc/nginx. Check if the configuration files are copied correctly using the ls command. Next, you can test the Nginx configuration for syntax errors with the command sudo nginxt. This command will indicate if there are any issues with the configuration files. If everything is correct, restart the Nginx service using sudo systemcll restart nginx. Finally, verify that your website is running as expected by entering the domain or IP address in a web browser. This concludes the process of transferring the Nginx configuration to a new Ubuntu server. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.